Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Mysore location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss in detail one by one, and this information purely collected from newspapers. Please like our videos to encourage us to do more videos for Mysore locations. We will be providing more job information.
Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job.
Firstly, there is a job openings for a pharma company. They are looking for pharmacist. Qualification is D Farm or the B Farm. Any of the qualification is eligible. Should you have minimum 5 years of experience or more? You can share your resume at the provided email ID info@pharma1st.in. You can also contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8095895690. There is a job openings for binder position. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role and minimum 25 to 40 years of age is eligible. You can contact in between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is the address details given here. You can also contact on the given phone numbers for further details. Next, there is a job openings for Star of Mysore and Mysore Mitra. They are looking for DTP operators. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role and this is a night shift. You should have good knowledge of PageMaker, Adobe InDesign, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, photo scanning, color separation, and should have a good typing speed as well. You should have good knowledge of English and Kannada languages. You can directly walk into the interview between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. to the provided address to attend the interview along with your passport size photograph. Next, there is a job opening for advertising executive. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role and should be graduate. Qualification is graduation and should have 2 to 3 years of experience in sales and marketing products and services. And up to 35 years of age will be considered, like the year should be below or up to 35 years will be considered. You should have a good knowledge of written and spoken English and Kannada languages and should have a good communication skills as well of both languages. You should have knowledge of MS Office. You can directly walk into the given address between 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. along with your CV, along with your passport size photograph. This is the address details. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Jnana Sarovara. They are looking for accountancy teacher and Sanskrit teacher. For accountancy teacher, minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required along with MCOM qualification with BEd or MEd. For Sanskrit teacher also, minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required and should have MA in Sanskrit along with BEd or MEd. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is careers@jirsm.com. There is also official website address given here. You can check with that. You can also contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9343299998 and 9379399998. Next, there is a job vacancies for executive personnel for the large manufacturing industry plant in Mysore who have passed ICWA Inter with a few years of experience in handling cost and works accounts independently, and persons who have passed a CA Inter or first class MCOM with few years of experience in handling auditing and financial accounts. So these two persons are eligible with these qualifications. Attractive remuneration above industry average will be offered to eligible candidates who fulfill above criteria. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. This is fin2021feb@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for Fresh Shopee online food delivery service. They are looking for customer service executive. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role. You should have good knowledge of English, Hindi, and Kannada languages, and minimum 2 years of experience is required. You can call or WhatsApp your CV to the provided WhatsApp number or contact number, or you can also share your resume to the provided email ID. Contact number is 9880 and the email ID is freshoppefooods@gmail.com. Next, there is job vacancies for Phoenix, they are looking for faculty positions for a computer faculty. Qualification BCA or BSc Computer Science or Diploma Computer Science. Freshers also eligible for these job roles, and experience also can apply. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, or you can also share your resume at the provided email ID. Contact number is 9886295510 and email ID is keonicsbannur@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for marketing executives for a reputed residential layout on outskirts of Mysore. The person should be between 25 to 30 years and should have good knowledge of English, Kannada, and Hindi languages, and two-wheeler is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Email ID is analshgupta.bta@gmail.com. Next, there is a job vacancies for Sharda Vilas Educational Institutions. Last date for submitting resume is today, that is 27th January 2021. They are recruiting for facilities and maintenance officer and accountant position. Written test will be conducted on 29th January 2021 only for facilities and maintenance officer, and candidates must bring their own laptops and having AutoCAD software as well. So you can share your resume by end of the day. Next, there is a job vacancy for pharmacist. Qualification is D Pharmacy or B Pharmacy. Should you have minimum 5 years of experience or more, and you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Email ID is info@pharma1st.in. Next, there is a job vacancies for Kaveri Insurance. They are looking for computer operator and marketing executives. For computer operator position, preferably Kannada or English typing skills are required. And for marketing executive, eligibility is SSLC and above. Job location will be Siddharth Nagar and Hood Gully. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Email ID is kaverince12@gmail.com and contact numbers are 9902062957 and 9902062157. Next, there is a job openings for Nanodaya Public School. They are looking for various positions like front office executive, history and civic teacher, marketing executive, and office clerk, and hostel warden. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role, hostel warden. And you can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number for more information. There is also official address details available here. You can check with that. Email ID is gnanoday@yapublicschol@yahoo.co.in and contact number is 95380266969. Next, there is a job openings for a reputed firm in Hebbal Industrial Estate. They are looking for marketing executive and delivery executives. For marketing executive, only male candidates are eligible, and for delivery executive as well, only male candidates are eligible. For marketing executive, qualification is any degree or diploma. For delivery executive, ITI fitters pass or fail, 1 to 2 years of experience is required. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 99720 29007. Next, there is a job openings for accounts and office executive. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role for a reputed financial services company located in Coimbatore Nagar. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, or you can also send your resume to the provided email ID. Freshers are also eligible for the job role. Contact number is 95134 and email ID is office2.moneytree@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for Cuba Public School. They are looking for headmistress and headmaster. Qualification is MSc or BEd, BSc, BEd with teaching experience. For Urdu teacher, they are also looking for Urdu teacher. For that, qualification is TCH and Maulima course is required. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9945504133 and 6361172801. There is also official address details available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for accountant cum manager. Only male candidate is eligible for the job role for a marriage function hall and other work. Salary commensurate with the experience. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and you can also contact on the given phone number for more information. Email ID is rahulconvhall@gmail.com and contact number is 9880231188. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Mysore location with part 2 probably tomorrow. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos if you are not subscribed, and share our videos with your friends and family members who are in need of job. And please like our videos and encourage us to do more videos and to provide more information for Mysore location jobs. And thank you so much for your support. Keep support me like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.